Understanding the phrase, take the loss, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a common English expression, take the loss. This phrase is used frequently in both casual and formal settings, and understanding its meaning and usage is key to mastering conversational English. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Take the loss is an idiomatic expression that means to accept a defeat, setback, or failure without further resistance or complaint. It's often used in situations where someone has tried to achieve something but was unsuccessful. The phrase implies a sense of resignation and the acknowledgement that not every attempt leads to success. It's crucial to understand that this phrase is not just about losing in a competition. It can apply to various life situations. To get a better grasp of take the loss, let's look at some examples. In sports, if a team loses a match, a coach might say, "We have to take the loss and focus on the next game." In business, after a failed venture, a manager might remark, "Sometimes, you have to take the loss and move on." In personal life, when dealing with a minor disappointment, one might say, "I guess I'll just take the loss and try again next time." These examples show that take the loss can be used in various contexts, emphasizing acceptance and the willingness to move forward despite setbacks. Understanding the cultural and emotional nuances of take the loss is important. In many English-speaking cultures, this phrase reflects a pragmatic and forward-looking attitude. It suggests resilience and the ability to handle disappointment gracefully. It's often seen as a positive trait to be able to take the loss and not dwell on failures. That's it for today's lesson on the phrase, take the loss. Remember, this expression is all about acknowledging defeat and moving forward with a positive attitude. We hope you found this video helpful in your journey to mastering English. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to take the loss in your learning process. Every setback is a step towards success. See you in the next video.